Hi guys, I've got a brand new unit to show you. It's the Victory Kahlo, just behind me. It's 44 by 14. It's really, really nice. I'll take you for one around now, bear with me. So this is the Victory Kahlo, 2-bedroom, 44 by 14. You can see it looks totally different to anything else on the market. And from the exterior, you've got your doors on the corner end, allowing that air to flow through really, really nicely. You've got strip lightings down this side and additionally down here. And it's in a two-tone clad with the graphite grey windows and the light grey finish on the clad there, sorry. So as I say, it's the Victory Kahlo 44 by 14. So we'll enter in and we'll go through into the living area. It's so nice, this is. So we've got the panel wall just there, which is really modern and in at the moment. Freestanding settee just here. This comes as standard as well. And then over on this side, you can see we've got the TV positioned. You quite easily get a 50-inch TV on there without any problems. And again, we've got the panels on the inside, so we've got them on the outside and on the inside, as well as the nice LED strip lights as well. Plenty of storage just below the TV, which is fantastic. And we've also got the surround sound built in to this unit as well. Over here, we've got a bench style seat in one side of the dining table and then further 2 seats here. And then we've got this nice feature light just above. Got the window just above there, letting in that natural light. There's loads and loads of light coming in. If you look over this side here, you can see plenty of light coming in from this side as well. So if we look at the kitchen then, you can see you've got your microwave, which is a Bosch microwave, and a Bosch oven just below it. You've also got your electric hobs just there as well. Plenty of storage above and surrounding. And then we've got your integrated appliances, which is your fridge. And then your freezer over this side. And then finally over here, we have a dishwasher as well. Really nice and open plan. So that's the kitchen diner. Let me take you a little bit further on. So in here, it is set up. And we've got 2 double bedrooms. I'll take you through there in a second, but this is the bathroom then. So we've got a bath with a shower just above it, toilet just there, and we've got your wash basin just here with an electric mirror just above with lighting surrounding it. Towel radiator on the wall just there. So we've got 2 double rooms. So this is the first. Really nice wood feature at the rear behind the headboard, reading light either side, and we've also got this huge mirrored wardrobe just here as well. All the light switches, and the sockets all tend to be in this nice black finish. When we go into the master bedroom, you'll see plenty of room in here. And then over this side here, we've got this, again, another huge mirrored wall. Nice little dressing table. And then if we go into the ensuite, you see we've got your wash basin, your toilet, towel radiator just here, and again, a really good sized shower there as well. Finally, the wardrobe for this, sorry, I'll just show you the windows because they let in loads of light, which will be great in the morning to wake up to. And then your wardrobe is just enclosed behind these doors here, so it's pretty much hidden. It's fantastic. Right, sorry. So that's it. That's the Victory Kahlo 44 by 14, 2-bedroom, central heated and double glazed, residential spec. If you'd like any more information, please do get in touch. 01754 252 889 or 07425 77 3030.